Assalamu alaikum dear student. Today we will start the chapter first of computer sciences FCS, and we will see the basic definition of computer sciences, computer system, peripheral devices and computer devices. Now what is the computer science? Computer science is the branch of physical sciences in which we study about its history, classification, structures, software, hardware and peripheral devices. There are other branches of physical sciences like physics, chemistry, mathematics. So computer science is also the branch of physical sciences. And in we study about its history कि शुरू में फर्स्ट जनरेशन कंप्यूटर आए, फिर सेकंड जनरेशन आए, फिर थर्ड जनरेशन आए, फिर फोर्थ एंड फिफ्थ जनरेशन आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस. यानी वी विल स्टडी द thoroughly the history of the computer sciences, its classifications, super computers, mainframe computers, micro computers, mini computers, structures. कि शुरू में जो कंप्यूटर्स थे उनका स्ट्रक्चर्स क्या था, आस्ते आस्ते जो कम्प्लेक्स होते गए उनके स्ट्रक्चर में क्या चेंजिंग है. सॉफ्टवेयर, हार्डवेयर एंड पेरिफेरल डिवाइसेस. पेरिफेरल डिवाइसेस कहते हैं कि जितनी भी आईओ डिवाइसेस जो उसके साथ अटैच होती हैं वो दीज आर ऑल नोन एज पेरिफेरल डिवाइसेस. फर्स्ट जनरेशन की पेरिफेरल डिवाइसेस और तरह की थी, सेकंड जनरेशन में और तरह की डिवाइसेस आई, इसी तरह थर्ड जनरेशन, फोर्थ में और फिफ्थ. अब जो पेरिफेरल डिवाइसेस यूज हो रही हैं वो काफ़ी डिफरेंट है आज से जो 20-30 साल पहले जो पेरिफेरल डिवाइसेस यूज हो रही थी. Now, what is the definition of computer system? Computer system is an electronic device. It is the electronic device. We can say electronic data processing device that accepts data as input from user. Data को accept करता है, performs operation as processing on data. Perform operation on data. Data को operation perform करता है. First accept data, perform operation on data at very high speed and produces the results. और थर्ड काम क्या करता है, produces the results. So all the computer system have the same definition that they accept data from user as input, perform operation on it as processing at very high speed and produces the result as an output. This is the basic definition of computer system. So it is also known as the electronic data processing device or EDP, electronic data processing device. Now what are the peripheral devices? These are also known as IO devices, I/O devices. All the input output devices attached with CPU are known as the peripheral devices. For example, mouse, keyboard, joystick, scanner, printers, microphone, speaker, USB. Some devices are used for input purpose and some devices are used for output purpose. So all the IO devices are generally known as the peripheral devices. Now what are the computing devices? All the devices that contain embedded specialized computer. Embedded means the software set of instruction built on the hardware. All the devices that contain embedded specialized computers are called computing devices. For example, computing devices कौन सी हैं? ATM machines, digital washing machines, cell phones, microwave ovens, toys, CD players are common computing devices. These are computing devices because each device have their different functionalities and each devices have their different software embedded on it. Different hardware, different software and different functionalities. So these are the computing devices. All the devices that involve the physical structure, certain instructions and perform the specific task are known as the computing device. So these are the basic definitions. You all have to learn the definition of computer sciences, computer systems. What are the computer system? What is the definition of computer system? What are the peripheral devices? What are IO devices? And what are the definition of computing devices? Any question, any difficulties, you can ask me properly. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.